Hello, I am Max and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will demonstrate how to connect two networks using Tailscale without installing it on our gateway. Instead, we will run Tailscale on a node within each network. And this is a virtual machine in network 1. And this is virtual machine in network 2. And you can see this is 20, this is 10. Let's ping each other. And there's nothing. 100% packet lost, 100% net packet lost. And this is our gateway on the network 2. This is the gateway on network 1. To bridge these two networks, we'll connect a single board computer to each one, both running OpenWRT. And if you need guidance for installing OpenWRT on those single board computers, you can refer to my previous video on this channel. Now the single board computers are up. Let's SSH into it. Now we will demonstrate on network 1 first. Now let's start installing Tailscale and dependencies. First is update the package list. Next is install the package Tailscale, and we also need iptables-nft. Now the packages are installed. Let's get Tailscale up and running. Tailscale up. We will advertise routes 192.168. This is 10.0.24, and we need to net filter mode off, except routes. And now Tailscale will provide a link. Let's lock that in. And now the device is signed in to Tailscale. You can see it's shown here. And let's enable this subnet. Okay. Now let's go to the Lucy of our Raspberry Pi 1. In network interfaces, we will add a new interface. Protocol is unmanaged. Let's call it Tailscale. Device is Tailscale 0. Create interface and save. Now let's go to firewall. Add Tailscale. In covered networks, select Tailscale. Now we want Tailscale to be able to connect device from and to LAN. Let's click from and destination and source zone to both select LAN and save and apply. And it's done on our single port computer. Now let's go back to our gateway. This is the gateway, and go to network routing. In static IPv4 routes, add. Interface is LAN, unicast, and target is this network, right? 20 network. And gateway will be this, will be our Tailscale node, which is Raspberry Pi 1. Copy the IP address and paste it here, and save and apply. And that's finished for network 1. We'll do the same for the network 2. Let's SSH into it first. Update package list. And install Tailscale and IP tables -nft. OPKG install Tailscale and IP tables nft. Okay, now same to get Tailscale up and running. Tailscale up advertise routes equals 92.168. This is 20.0.24 and net filter mode off except routes, and we'll log in again. And now this is logged in, and we can see our OPI 0 is in our Tailscale console. And again, we need to enable the route. You click here, save, and same, we need to connect our devices and firewall. Go to interfaces. Add a new interface, name Tailscale. Protocol is unmanaged. Device is Tailscale 0. Save and apply. And go to network, firewall, zones, add. Call it Tailscale. This is cover Tailscale from and to LAN. Save and apply. Okay, we're done on this side. Let's configure routing on this network. This is gateway network routing, and hit add a IPv4 route. This is 192.168.10.0.24. Routing move from route to our orange Pi 0. Now it's added. Oh, interface is LAN. Okay, and now hit save and apply. And now we should be good to go. Okay, let's open another terminal. Let's ping the other network. And now we just got Tailscale set up. The network may not be configured correctly. Now let's restart Tailscale on the single board computers. And Tailscale restart. Same for this one. Tailscale status. Tailscale status. And let's try it again. And we are connected. And that's it. That's how you run Tailscale without Tailscale installing on the gateway. And you may ask, why would you want to set it up this way? Because this approach allows us to connect multiple Tailscale networks simultaneously. And if you, like me, have several single board computers laying around, you can make use of them. Okay? And that's for this video, and I will see you in the next one.